Morning children. Now next, welcome to next session, revision of 2 second part. One more thing I want to tell children, revision you have to write in your homework notebook only. Don't write in other notebook or in any papers. Don't write in that one. Only have to write in your homework notebook only. You have already homework notebook, you are writing in that one. Classwork and homework both you have to writing. In that notebook only revision have to write. Continue it in your next page. Okay, let us start with another examples. Today I will take two digit number, multiplication of a two digit number by two digit number. First question, 34 into 23. I'll take this first example, 34 into 23. Now let us start with once again I'll repeat that your numbers, how to multiply these numbers. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 1 2, 1 we are taking carry forward and 2 we are writing downside. 3 4s are 12. Now next number, 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. Yes, 3 3s are 9 plus 1. You have to add these numbers. Carry forward whatever number is there, that you have to add. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10. It become 10. Now plus sign or 0 you have to insert in ones place. Now we have to multiply with the next number, that is in tens place. 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. Add these numbers. Add all these numbers. 2 plus 0, 2. 0 plus 8, 8. 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Now we got the answer 782. Yes, next problem. I'll solve another few more examples. Copy this and try to solve this without without this one, and afterwards you can check, cross verify with the answers. Now I'll take another one example. 65 into 35. 65 into 35. 5 5s are 25. 2 here downside. 5 means in the below this number, and 5 here. 25. 5 5s are 25. Now 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. Plus sign or 0 we can insert symbol or this 0. Now 3 5s are 3 5s are 15 1 5 15 3 5s are 15 here 1 and 5 here 15 3 6 are. Now we have to multiply this to this number 3 6 are 18 6 3s are or 3 6 are 18 18 plus 1 upside 1 is that. Please remember this, whenever carry forward is there that you have to add the numbers. Don't forget, don't take this downside because it is one's place we have took that one. So we are writing one here downside and one upside. When we will add the numbers, that time it become easy. Okay, let it be. Now 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19 19. Add these numbers, add all these numbers. 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 5 7, 3 plus 9 12, 1 2 12. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 1 carry forward and 2 downside, and 1 plus 1 2 and upside 0 is that, means 2 only. Now we got the answer 2275. Please copy these numbers. Yes, third one. I will erase this also. Third one, when 0 will come, that time what you have to do? For example, 60 into any number, I'll take as 45. Slightly bigger one I'll take. Now see here, upside 60, downside 45. 5 into 0. Please remember, whenever we will multiply it to the number 0, the answer should be 0, or by multiply. If you are multiplying by 0, then also it becomes 0. Now 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 0 means 0 only. Now we have to multiply this number to this number. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now plus sign or 0 you have to insert in the ones place. Now 4 into 0. 4 into 0. 4 into 0, 0 only. Because if you multiply to any number, if you multiply by 0, then it becomes 0. Or you have to, if you multiply to 0, then it becomes 0. Any number. 4 into 0, 0 only. Now 4 6 are 24. 24. Now we have to add these numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 0, 2. Now we got the answer 2700. Yes children, now I'll take another one example. Now I will change this. For example, 36 into 50. I'll take as a 50. Please remember here, children, once again I'll repeat, because some children will they'll face difficult, they'll confuse when this type number will come. That time what we have to do, same procedure, nothing you have to do, same procedure you have to follow. Here 0 into 6, if you multiply 0 by to any number, then it becomes 0. See it, 0 into 6, 0 only. 0 into 3, 0. Very good. And we are inserting here 2 0. 0 into 6, 0. 0 into 3, 0 only. Write as it is. Don't worry about that. Oh, 0 0 came. Don't afraid. Yes, write 0 0 only. Then downside plus, as usual we are doing this in ones place. Now we are taking 5. It is in tens place. Now we will multiply these numbers. 5 into 6. 5 into 6, 30. Okay. Now 5 into 3. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3. 18. Add these numbers. 0 plus 0, 0 only. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 0, upside nothing is there, means 0, consider as a 0. 8 only. 1 plus 0, 1 only. Now this is the method to solve the problems. Okay, tomorrow once again we will come to next few more examples. Until that, take care, stay home, have a nice day.